If you send your plate or plates for analysis, use an accredited lab. There are a lot of mold labs out there, but it is important to use one that doesn't sell remediation products, or is affiliated with anyone who does. You want clear, unbiased results with no aim other than to provide you with the information that they find. Ultimately, accreditation is an independent demonstration that the systems and processes of the laboratory conform to specified requirements, are effectively implemented, and produce valid results. Without legitimate accreditation, the lab is just a person looking through a microscope and recording what they see. If you would like to send your plates in for analysis, we have partnered with IMS Laboratory, the official laboratory for the National Association of Mold Professionals. It's a fully accredited, full-service microbiology lab to offer additional testing services. For more information on this, see the downloadable form on our website. If you have more questions, visit us at microbalancehealthproducts.com or leave them for us in the comments.